Hey everybody. Today I want to share something with you guys I've noticed in newer computers nowadays. I'm sure some of you other guys out there have probably noticed it too. It seems like with a lot of newer computers, either desktops or laptops, they're missing one indicator that used to be, the standard on computers. The hard disk drive activity LED. Here's a Toshiba satellite laptop that originally came with Windows 8 and I put Windows 7 on it. And to just give you an idea, it's from 2012. It's a Windows 8 laptop. So it's fairly recent. We have some indicators here. You have your charge indicator, which you can barely see. Your charge and battery, power, and Wi-Fi. But notice, no hard drive LED. Now if you look at this Inspiron 1525, it's from like 2008. Notice it has a hard disk drive activity LED. It's the light that flickers on and off a lot. And for another example, the mid-tower Lux. The hard drive LED is located right there, and it's not doing much right now. For a technician, the hard drive LED performs multiple things. Obviously, it tells you when the hard drive is doing something, whether it be reading or writing. And that hard drive LED can be used to diagnose multiple problems. For instance, let's say a computer has low amounts of memory and is using a lot of page file. You'll notice that the hard drive LED is wide open lit because the hard drive is heavily accessed and is being heavily accessed. Another good use for this light is to tell more or less if a program is using a lot of resources. I mean, this simple LED can tell you a ton of things. It can tell you whether your computer's busy or idle. And a lot of times you can't tell that by looking at the screen. At least in my opinion, I think it's a very useful indicator. And when you're missing it, and you're just staring at the screen trying to figure something out, you don't know if the hard drive is being accessed or not, so you don't know if the computer is sitting idle or if it's doing a lot of stuff. So yeah, just I prefer to have that LED, but a lot of these newer computers don't have them. Now later on, when I get a desktop that is missing the LED, such as a newer e-machine system, for instance a part system, if I get one, I may perform a modification for you guys to show you how to do a modification to actually install a hard disk activity LED, because usually, at least when it comes to desktops, the motherboards have the plug there for it. There's just nothing plugged into it. So anyways, I'm just curious if you guys have noticed this and what do you think about it. Anyways, thanks for watching.